Ayun. Malaki yung resort na to. Malaki.
Ah, yan pala dayo.
Ano yan?
Ah, parang hindi naman ano tayo. Parang tayo nang malibita.
Lovers pool?
Ang daw ng looban.
Hindi yan. Yung kulting puso yun. Another pool.
Lovers one day, ganyan naman ako. Ganyan lover.
Down dun.
Oh, yan nga. Ayun no?
Ay, oo, lovers.
Diba? Lovers. Yeah, it's a lovers. Oh, look at the tree.
Oh, paleti tree.
Wait, what? No, it's not.
Still voodoo even though it's cut down.
Oh, look at that.
Lovers pool.
Then, I think I want to go swim over there.
Swimming tayo?
Pero wala akong swimming doon.
Siyempre, pag marami silang customer, pupunta sila dito. Punta tayo. We're gonna swim over there.
Kaya dyan, yung mauna muna tayo doon.
Adan lang tayo dyan.
Orchid lang pala yun na yun.
Oh, mababaw. Sabi niya may tao. Ito yung Lovers Pool. Hidden Falls.
The hidden falls is over there. Punta muna tayo dyan bago tayo galing.
Ay, hindi naman pala mahirap. Mayroon naman silang trail.